Hello everyone. So we got to know what is data engineering and where exactly we need data engineering kind of solution. So let's see that the data comes from different ratings, Facebook source, Twitter, or even the primary data sources of the hotel business, right? So we do some data engineering and we build insights. So data is again, explored, visualized, and experimented, and basically that helps to give the prediction that the owner is looking for. Now, who is the magician? Who basically did all this? Who brought all the data into right place, did the right kind of engineering with the data, and basically showed the owner what he wanted? The answer is not a data analyst, not a data scientist. The answer is a data engineer, right? So data engineer's job is to do collect all of this data and do the basically solve the business problem. So data engineers deliver the correct data in the right form to the right people. In this case, the hotel owner is the right person who was looking for the insights that to increase his sales, or probably he wanted to make more business. So in a multidisciplinary team that includes data scientists, BI engineers, and data engineers, so that's the real-time scenario. In a real organization, this is how the work happens, right? The role of a data engineer is mostly to ensure the quality and availability of data. So it's not just the data engineer who does the complete work, but definitely he plays a great role in bringing the right data and sharing with the end stakeholders who will again, take that data or do some BI work or analyst work or data science work. Moving on, what are primary responsibilities of a data engineer? So let's understand that. So data engineers ingest the data from different sources. They architect and design the data platform, right? So just imagine that you need the data from different sources, and you pull the data, did some kind of cleaning, and stored into some kind of target. But this is not going to end your task, right? It could be a repetitive thing, or it might be happening every hour, every day, every week, every month, or every quarter, right? The data is changing. Data is uh, getting populated every day and night. So how do we manage with that? So you definitely need a platform for that. So data engineers even build platforms to which will manage and do all of these work activities. We later will learn about data pipelines and how basically these are built. And so that the moving on to the next thing is the third point, that is development of data related instruments and instances. That's also a part of data engineering, and data engineers are responsible for that. Data pipeline building is another major task that a data engineer does. And then we have managed data and metadata. So managing data, like for example, the data is stored into a database, and the data is not available to all the stakeholders. So data engineers may be responsible for even securing the data and metadata, right? So they manage it, they properly control it to whom or where and when, for which business purpose that needs to be gone with. So, and then sixth point is provide data access to tools, and seventh is machine learning algorithm deployment. Even data engineers are responsible for deploying machine learning algorithm related models. All right. So we got a fair understanding of data engineers and data engineering. And let's move on to the next video where we will see that how a data engineer is, you know, making difference from a data scientist. They are not same, definitely, and we need to know that. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next video.